Alrighty folks, welcome to Stormtopia.com. We're going to get to Isaac in just a minute, but first let's just get a rundown of the next few days' forecast. High temperatures out here today on Saturday were in the 70s and 80s across most of the eastern seaboard. Now as you make your way farther west, they were in the 90s where you didn't have to worry about much rain. Tomorrow you're going to have to worry about the rain mostly along the portions of mid-Atlantic, 75 to 85 degrees. By the time we make our way out to Monday, warmer by at least 5 to 10 degrees with those potential scattered showers moving up into the northern portions of the mid-Atlantic and southwest New England. Alright, Isaac time. Alright, start you off with the National Hurricane Center track here, because you can see we've had sort of a revelation of thought on Isaac. At first it was looking like it was going to go farther and farther west. Still looks like that trend is holding true. But the thing we were wondering about is how much will land have an influence on Isaac? This is about 48 hours ago. Will it go over Hispaniola and Cuba and get all torn up? The answer is no. Basically what's happened was it went over, it just grazed the tip of Haiti, of course, causing flooding there, but moved on from Haiti relatively quickly last night, and then made a quick landfall in the eastern tip of Cuba and then moved right out. It's already off Cuba. It won't make a second visit to Cuba. The land on Cuba is disrupting its circulation, but not majorly. I think it will continue to strengthen as it pushes towards the Florida Straits. By the time we make our way out to Sunday night, it'll be moving over the Florida Keys, where many storm chasers have already set up shop, likely at least a Category 1 hurricane by then. Now, as it continues to push off to the north and west, a landfall can be expected anywhere between Gulf Breeze, Alabama, and eastern portion of the Panhandle. Right now, we're basically thinking around Fort Walton Beach, perhaps a little bit west of there. And the trend is a little bit looking like further west. Potentially, landfall is a Category 2 or 3 hurricane. The farther west it goes, the stronger it will make as a landfall, because the more time it'll have over the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico. Now, for all these people who think that there's some sort of conspiracy that Obama's working in the National Hurricane Center, or at least Rush Limbaugh said that, and some people are on to him now. First of all, it's not even going to hit Tampa. It's not even going to be within 150 to 200 miles of Tampa. Tampa will likely have some gusty winds and heavy rain, which they would get on any other afternoon anyway. The Republican National Convention is not going to be significantly affected, and even if it was, it would have nothing to do with any government agencies. It's called the normal cycle of weather. Okay? Hopefully that squashed some of the conspiracy theories out there. The biggest concern is still about New Orleans. Right now it looks to be tracking significantly far east of New Orleans. We'll have to watch that track. If it makes a landfall in Alabama or Mississippi, then you're going to have to be worried about potentially wind coming down from the north to the south, which pushes water from Lake Pontchartrain into the city. So far, though, that doesn't look like a big threat because it'll be tracking pretty far east. That's it for now, guys. Have a good day.